Hello and welcome to Carlisle High School Virtual College Algebra. I'm Miss Brent and I will be teaching you the course this semester, I should say. I just wanted to introduce myself and a little bit about the course and the structure, etc. Um, I have been teaching for quite some time and I just love it. I've been at Carlisle for 25 years. And before that, I taught at Harrisburg Area Community College, and I continue to teach at Harrisburg Area Community College, actually. As you can see here, one of my biggest joy is teaching. I love my job. I don't even care anymore if you think I'm weird for it. I love teaching math. And I've been at Carlisle High School, like I said, for a long time. I do have 3 children and 4 grandchildren, so in between there, I wasn't teaching full time. I stayed home to raise my kids, and I taught at Harrisburg Area Community College part time. I also have taught at Shippensburg University part time and Dickinson. I taught some math education courses there. Currently, I also teach for John Hopkins, the Center for Talented Youth. And it's a summer program. We do math modeling and different fun math competition questions, those types of things. So I'm always dabbling in teaching math in all these different venues. And as a result, one of my favorite things to teach is college algebra. I teach college algebra at HAC to college students. I teach college algebra at Carlisle High School to high school students. The difference is some are high school students and some are college students. The thing that's the same is it's the exact same course. Okay. As you can see, I love Carlisle High School, and these are 2 of my granddaughters, and they already love the bison. So we're getting, I have to love the bison, much like Nana does. Besides teaching being one of my joys, the other joy in my life are my children and grandchildren. Sorry, you will be having to hear some stories about them, okay? Throughout I'll keep it brief, all right? But I have 3 children. They're all married, and they've given me these 4 delightful young creatures. Hazel is 7, and Jovi is 4, and Chloe is 2, and Joy is 1. So besides loving my job, I do love my personal life as Nana as well. Just getting on to the course, you will, of course, be using Schoology, okay, to find everything you need, okay? One thing I would encourage you to do is to please look over the course overview or the syllabus that I have. It's the same syllabus, guys, that I have for the my Harrisburg Area Community College students. This course you are getting 3 credits for, and I need to ensure that it is the college level course, the same that others are getting 3 credits for. It's different. This is a dual enrollment course. Okay, so if you would go to your CVA College Algebra Schoology site, make sure you're in the Materials tab. Click on Course Overview Syllabus, and this is what will come up. Okay. As I said, it's a dual enrollment course. There are things that you should read over about this. I introduce myself a little bit here, just as I'm doing right now. The main thing that I find that's different with this course than the other high school classes that I teach at Carlisle is I must follow this syllabus, okay? This is what we will be doing every week. It's not like, well, the kids didn't quite seem to get this, so I'm going to spend a little more time on it. Harrisburg Area Community College checks in from time to time, as you see here, okay? From time to time, they check in on me and make sure that, I am. Oh, this is the week of September 13th. She should be doing sections 1.5 and 1.6 and etc. Okay. It's 1 semester. We're going to be finished before marking period 3 starts. All right. So I don't have the whole thing on here. The whole thing is a course on Schoology. And any time that you're going to be absent or you miss a class for whatever reason, of course, I understand this is CVA class, so you can go whenever you choose. Maybe you'll be working through a little quicker, but I would encourage you to just kind of stay on this pace, okay? Each week, I talk about what we're covering, and you will see them in the materials tab in folders on the Schoology site, okay? But you should always know what is the week, what are we looking forward to, okay? Don't work too far ahead because I will only be giving the exam, for example, the week of September 20th, okay? And we'll go over that here in a minute. But the course schedule is, I don't really have that in this much detail for my full year classes, okay? But the one semester classes that you do on the college level, they break it down week by week and they say, this is what we're doing. And that's what we're doing. Okay. I also have a link to the school calendar for you. If you would like to look and see when vacations are, that kind of thing. Of course, all the school rules are followed in the Carlisle High School Student Handbook. I will expect you to be respectful if when we do Zoom sessions, etc. If we have discussion posts and when you're giving feedback to your classmates, just all very respectful in your communication. I will make sure each week I will post an update. It'll be the first thing you see when you open the Schoology College Algebra site, okay? It looks something like this. This is an example from last year. This was the week of October 5th last year, okay? And as soon as you clicked on the Schoology site, this is what came out, okay? Which I tell you what we're moving into. This week, where will you go? You'll go to the Unit 2 folder, watch the videos, blah, blah, blah. We'll tell you what to do, okay? And when it's due, when the assignments are due, okay? I give you a timeline that, notice what I say here, it's a suggestion, okay? Maybe you're working, maybe you're in a sport, you have things you need to do, and hey, I need to get everything done for math Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. There is no Thursday, Friday for me because I'm working, okay? Then that's fine. But this is just a guideline of what to do. I also will have, of course, my office hours Zoom link. Here, I will also have it in a folder labeled Zoom links for you on the Schoology site, okay? As I say here. All right, so again, read through this, please. It will tell you everything that I'm saying right now. Okay? Assignments, these are the main ways that I do assignments. I'm not saying these are the only ways, but these are probably the majority of your assignments will either be done in Schoology. They'll be done by taking pictures of your working, sending them to me. They'll be done on a site called Socrative. And they'll be on a site called Quizzes. Okay? Actually, that was supposed to be Quizziz. I'll show you all those. Either easy to access and easy for me to look over and understand what your understanding is, so I know how to help you. Assessments will be done on Socrative. They will be proctored through Zoom. All assessments are proctored for Harrisburg Area Community College. That means I'll say, hey, the assessment is such and such a time. I'll usually give a couple options for those of you that are working. We log in, I say, hello, any questions? And then I activate the assessment. You take it while I see your video. And that way I watch and make sure, that you are the one taking the assessment. And then we finish it. We usually have about 60 minutes to do the assessments. Okay. Technology requirements. You have your laptop or desktop computer. Please try to make sure that everything is working appropriately and you have good Wi-Fi. If not, there is technology assistance through Carlisle High School. If you use this link, that will send you for a request for help. However, please reach out to me first for anything that you need, guys, anything at all. I want to help you. I am here to help you. Okay, please. And I want you to email me or whatever. And the communication tab I have listed here how to contact me. Email me at brenk@carlisleschools.org. Call my school phone. I'll be getting back to you a little bit quicker if you email me, to tell you the truth, or message me through Schoology. Okay, I'll get back to you very quickly. I'll set up a private Zoom if you want. If you need some little extra tutoring, I have no problem. We'll come up with a time that works for both of us, and I will be happy to do that. I also am going to have on the update, you'll look and see when my office hours are. Okay, I'm going to try to offer a morning and an afternoon each week. Okay, so accommodate student schedules. All right. It won't be the same days each week because we're transitioning to a green-white schedule. And so I don't have the same schedule every Monday or every Tuesday. So each week I'll say, here are the 2 days, Tuesday morning at 10 and Thursday afternoon at 3 or something like that. That's just for an example. Okay. So please read through that as well. All right. Hopefully that gave you at least a little overview. I'm very excited. Love the course. It's tough, but it's doable. And as long as you stay and look at that course schedule, do what I ask you to do, ask for help anytime. I will sit with you, and you can even come into the school if you want. We'll set up a Zoom. Come to every one of my office hours that you can, and you will do very well in this course. Okay? So nice meeting you, and I look forward to the first day of school.